Scorpio, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Scorpio from the 21st of June to the 27th of June. Let's get started. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. What are the messages for my Scorpio friends? Oh wow, you've got the Ten of Wands, the Five of Swords, the Hermit, and the card at the bottom of the deck is Ten of Cups. Nice card, very nice cards. But see, Scorpio, with the Ten of Wands, I see even though something is ending in your life, it's also leading to a very beautiful beginning, but that beginning needs you to put in a lot of hard work in it. So sometimes, for example, a job ends in your life, okay? A job ends, but it also pushes you to open up your new startup or invest in something that is mutual funds or something that requires a lot of hard work from your side. Mutual funds, of course, doesn't require a lot of hard work, but it requires a lot of reading up, okay? So something that may just bog you down because it's new and you need to, invest a lot of time, money, and energy. So that's going to start. Beware of people who could have, who could be wearing a mask. They could have a facade. These people may look nice and helpful, but they're not always helpful. So just be aware of such people. You are heading towards self-inflicted isolation. Sometimes we truly understand, sometimes we need to rejuvenate, we need to, just cut ourselves off from people and meditate, work on ourselves, do some shadow work. I understand, and that's what the cards are also saying, that if this happens, if you need to do such a thing, need to isolate yourself, do so shamelessly. You're also entering a very beautiful phase for those who are trying to start a family or trying to take their relationship to another level. It's a very good sign for you because you're on the right track, guys. Okay. Scorpio, you've got the Ten of Wands again, Nine of Wands this time. Don't worry, guys, if something's seeming burdensome right now, it's not going to last for very long. When you start something new, when you start working towards your dreams, you need to put in that hard work and you need to get a little bogged down so that later on you may not feel that way, then you will reap the fruits of your labor. You've got the Page of Wands, some very important communication coming your way, guys. It could be related to a hobby that is turned into a profession or something new. Somebody wants to talk to you about something that they passionately feel about. You've got the Ace of Swords. Something new is beginning, as I mentioned. A new phase of your life is beginning, and this phase is about growth, evolution, something to do with love, and some new passionate beginning is coming your way. Also, you've got the Six of Pentacles. Somebody from your past wants to contact you. This person could be an earth sign individual, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, or somebody who has these signs very prominently present in their chart. You'd know that best, Scorpio. See, this is a general reading. It may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates with you, leave what doesn't, and check out your other readings because I keep posting so many every week. So please help me out there. Okay. Okay, you've got the Wheel of Fortune, changing of tides, changing of times. If you've been going through troublesome, tiresome times, tiring times, Good news is on its way. Things that have troubled you are going away from your life, and new things are coming into your life. Right now, things may seem a little burdensome, but don't let it get to you, Scorpio. You're on the right track. Don't forget that. Trust. Some of you could be having a hard time trusting people, or you want to win someone's trust and you're not being able to do so because of a lot of other reasons that a person doesn't trust others. And Scorpio, trust issues can be a blockage. So I would suggest surround yourself with people who you trust, because right now the time is a little critical for you, and not being able to trust somebody will only make you feel more burdened. So make sure you only surround yourself with family or your friends or your animals, because you can trust them blindly. That's if you can trust them blindly. I'm not asking you, you'd know that best. Let's see some extra messages for Scorpio. Emotions are running high. Yes, we could see that in your cards. The answers you need are coming. Meditate and contemplate. Like the hermit said, isolate. Take time to ground yourself. Take time to think about what you truly want. Conclusions are within reach. Your hard work is paying off. Important signs could be, as I mentioned earlier, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Gemini. Let's see some affirmation cards for you, Scorpio. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. To get closer to consciousness, people ground themselves. You've got a lot of signs to meditate. Start now. The universe has my back. It does. It always does. Scorpio, this was about it, and I hope this reading made sense to you. If it did, please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know if you like the readings. And your likes and shares and comments and subscriptions mean the world to me. For those who've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. This is your girl, Pixie Goddess Tarot, signing off. Bye.